Welcome to this step-by-step guide on installing the Safe Screen TV protection cabinet. This cabinet has been designed both to be robust and ligature resistant, offering maximum protection, making it ideal for both hospitals and other care facility environments. Please make sure you follow these instructions carefully to ensure the correct and safe installation. Please be careful unwrapping the cabinet. Outer protection blocks should be removed with a screwdriver or electric screwdriver. Before starting, ensure that the wall measurements are suitable for installation, that the size of the wall is able to take the size of the cabinet. Also, that the wall surface, the substrate, is smooth and without damage, and that all the electrical sockets and aerial sockets have been positioned correctly to fall within the cabinet on installation. Having done this, you can carefully remove the packaging in the room where the cabinet will be installed. Due to the weight of the cabinet, it's a minimum of a 2-person lift. A tile assessment should be conducted following manual handling guidance. Please note that all cabling must be chased into the wall and not through plastic trunking. ALS do not supply the wall fixings. These are not supplied only because we don't know what substrate the cabinet is going to be fixed upon. The correct fixings should be chosen based on the substrate, and the batten should be firmly secured in place. Begin by marking in the middle of the wall a vertical line with a pencil, indicating where the middle of the cabinet is to be installed. Following this, take a spirit level and mark a horizontal line transecting the vertical line at the height the quick fit batten is to be installed onto. The quick fit batten enables the cabinet to be hung without having to put the fixings in, as demonstrated in the video. Once the quick fit batten is in place, 2 people can lift the cabinet onto the batten. The TV cabinet is now self-supporting. Please note to check that the cabinet is square by ensuring that the gap around the door is even all the way round. If it's not even all the way round, the cabinet should be tapped on one side or the other until the gap is completely even. At this point, a pencil line should be drawn down the cabinet before opening the door. But before fully tightening, please ensure that the lines placed down the side of the cabinet are still level. If not, tap to realign. Once secured, carefully close the cabinet door and check. To complete the installation, it's necessary to apply a bead of anti-pick sealant around the cabinet's edges. This will take approximately 24 hours to cure. Please note that only anti-pick sealant should be used and not silicone sealant. This completes the installation of the SafeScreen TV cabinet. By following these steps, you ensure a secure and professional fit, providing safety and durability in the intended environment. For further information, please contact Anti-Ligature shop at 03300 536 020 or visit our website at www.anti-ligature-shop.co.uk. Thank you for watching.